The SPC9 SD² is the next evolution of the special purpose carbine, combining the proven performance of the SPC9 platform with an ultra-lightweight, modular, integrally suppressed system. It's a mission-configurable weapon system designed to adapt to any application. The SD stands for Schalldämpfer, the German word for suppressor. And the SD² advances the integrally suppressed concept with a precision-ported barrel and scalable two-stage suppressor system, constructed from weldless, lightweight 3D printed titanium for maximum strength and durability. The result is a compact, quiet, clean-running system optimized for use with standard 9mm ammunition. In its short configuration, the SD² is more compact than the standard SPC9 and SPC9 SD, while still offering hearing-safe suppression. When maximum sound and flash suppression are required, the second stage can be attached to increase internal suppressor volume and further reduce the sound signature without sacrificing reliability or balance. The suppressor's seamless integration with the ported barrel slows supersonic rounds to subsonic velocities, eliminating the need for specialty ammunition while maintaining consistent cycling and performance. The SPC9 SD² features the proprietary hydraulically enhanced recoil reduction system, minimizing felt recoil and delivering superb controllability even during rapid or sustained fire. The gray Cerakoted upper includes a full-length NATO accessory rail and an abundance of M-LOK slots for lights, lasers, and other mission-critical accessories. Dual non-reciprocating auto-folding ambidextrous side charging handles and an ambidextrous rear AR charging handle provide familiar and intuitive snag-free manipulation. QD sling attachment points are located at both the front and rear for rapid, secure sling integration. The non-serialized Pro lower receiver offers mirrored, fully ambidextrous controls for the magazine release, bolt catch, and safety selector. Compatibility with AR pattern grips and triggers gives users the flexibility to tailor the platform to their individual preferences. This limited production model comes equipped with a low-profile telescoping brace for ultimate portability, but is easily upgradable with a telescoping stock for those who wish to transition to an SBR. Swiss precision, next-generation suppressor engineering, and mission-specific modularity. This is the SPC9 SD².